What is the meaning of the word loft? As a noun, floor consisting of a large unpartitioned space over a factory or warehouse or other commercial space. Floor consisting of open space at the top of a house just below roof. Often used for storage. Golf. The backward slant on the head of some golf clubs that is designed to drive the ball high in the air. A raised shelter in which pigeons are kept. As a verb, store in a loft. Propel through the air. Kick or strike high in the air. Lay out a full-scale working drawing of the lines of a vessel's hull. Examples of use. The rocket lofted the space shuttle into the air. Loft a ball. Loft is spelled L-O-F-T. Loft.